INFJs are known for their insight, intuition, and uncanny ability to read between the lines. While others might miss subtle cues, INFJs often pick up on hidden truths instantly. In this video, we're diving into 7 immediate red flags INFJs spot before anyone else, often without even realizing how they know. If you're an INFJ, see how many of these you relate to. And if you know one, prepare to be amazed by what goes on behind that quiet stare. 1. Fake niceness. You might fool others with a smile and a compliment, but not an INFJ. INFJs can immediately sense when someone's kindness is performative. It's not about the words, they feel the energy behind them. If someone's tone, timing, or body language doesn't align with their sweet words, the INFJ registers it almost instantly. They might not call it out, but internally, a silent red flag is already waving. 2. Inconsistent behavior. INFJs pay deep attention to patterns in people's behavior. So, when someone says one thing and does another, even subtly, it sets off alarm bells. They may smile at you but treat the waiter rudely, or preach honesty yet dodge responsibility when it matters. To an INFJ, inconsistency reveals character, and they're rarely wrong about it. 3. Emotional manipulation. Guilt tripping, gaslighting, playing the victim. While others may fall for emotional traps, INFJs can sense manipulation like a shift in the weather. Thanks to their emotional intelligence, they feel when someone's trying to control through guilt or sympathy. Even if the manipulator thinks they're subtle, the INFJ quietly files it away as a major red flag. 4. Attention-seeking behavior. Some people thrive on drama, but INFJs don't just notice the spotlight. They question why someone needs it. They quickly detect people who dominate conversations, exaggerate stories, or shift topics to focus back on themselves. To an INFJ, it's not just annoying. It's often a sign of insecurity, ego issues, or even narcissism. 5. Lack of authenticity. INFJs are drawn to authenticity like a magnet and repelled just as strongly by its absence. When someone is overly curated, always changing masks depending on who's around, INFJs pick up on it quickly. They don't need to know all your secrets, but if your vibe screams inauthentic, they'll never fully trust you. 6. Subtle power plays. INFJs are very aware of unspoken social dynamics. They notice when someone constantly corrects others, talks over people, or subtly tries to dominate group decisions. Even passive-aggressive comments or jokes with a hidden edge don't go unnoticed. These micro power moves are red flags that INFJs detect almost instantly, and they usually back away quietly. 7. Disregard for boundaries. Ask an INFJ what makes them deeply uncomfortable, and they'll likely mention people who push past limits. Whether it's oversharing too fast, invading personal space, or ignoring someone's no, INFJs sense boundary violators immediately. They may not always speak up, but they'll definitely distance themselves, because to an INFJ, respecting emotional and psychological space is non-negotiable. INFJs may not always explain what they sense, but their inner radar is sharp, intuitive, and nearly impossible to fool. These red flags often appear as gut feelings, but they're rooted in deep emotional intelligence and a lifetime of quietly observing people. Which of these red flags do you notice first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more insights into the INFJ mind. Thanks for watching, and until next time, trust your intuition. It sees what the eyes can't.